tension continues in Manipur in a rally that was being taken out by the Kuki-Zo community. The ancestral house of a Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson was burned down. This rally was being taken out in Churachandrapur, Kangpokpi and Tengupal district. This rally was after an audio had surfaced alleging that Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh had given directions to use maximum force, including warlike ammunitions, against the protesting Kuki-Zo community. This audio has been denied by the Chief Minister's office, but it continues to lead to tension on the ground. So this rally that was being organized in Leshang, Kethilambi and More in Churachandpur, Kangpokpi and Tengupal district was in protest against this audio. During this rally, Michael Lamjathang, he is the Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson, his ancestral house was torched down. Earlier also, his house has been attacked allegedly by the Kuki-Zo community members. His house where he used to live was earlier attacked, and N. Biren Singh had condemned it. Now once again his ancestral property has been attacked in the tribal dominated areas by the Kuki-Zo community. The identification of the miscreants who indulged in this act is still not clear, but what is being alleged, and Manipur Chief Minister himself has said that action will be taken if it is found correct that police officers did not act properly in accordance with the SOP, even after knowing that there was a threat to the life and well-being of the Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson. So the Chief Minister of Manipur coming down heavily, saying action will be taken. Meanwhile, tension on the ground continues. Like I said, there is a lot of resentment on the ground. This audio tape which I mentioned has been handed over to the Judicial Commission. The Chief Minister's office has denied that this is the voice of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, but it is going viral on social media in Manipur. Various clips and sub-clips of it, various parts of this alleged communication or this alleged instruction from no one less than the Chief Minister has made it to the social media, inflaming passion further. While the Chief Minister says that he's trying very hard to ensure that peace returns, there is resentment. This rally in particular was also being carried out because the tribal community wants a separate administration. They have repeatedly said that they have no faith in N. Biren Singh's chief ministership. His administration is anti-tribal, and therefore the Kuki-Zo community has been demanding non-stop that they be given a separate identity away from the Meitei dominated areas of Manipur. They be given a separate administration. This is what the rally was for, and it seems that the rally went completely out of hand when the house of the BJP spokesperson, his ancestral house, was torched.